Next question is, if decreasing 160 by x%, okay, gives the same result as increasing 96 by x%. Okay, so I'm decreasing 160. Let's just understand. I'm decreasing 160 by x%. What do I get? 160 1 minus x upon 100, and it is same as increasing 96 by x%. Okay, so I'm increasing 96 by x%. What do I get? 96 1 plus x upon 100, and both these values are same. If these values are same, I can equate them easily. So 160 1 minus x upon 100 is equal to 96 1 plus x upon 100. Simplifying this equation or cancelling out terms, what do I get? 16 10 16 6 2 5 3. So 5 upon 3 is equal to 100. 100 cancels out. So this is 100 plus x upon 100 minus x. This is 500, 300. So 200 is equal to 3x, 5x, 8x. And from here we get 8x as 25. So precisely we are decreasing 160 by 25% and we are increasing 96 by 25% to get the same result. Then x minus 15% of 180. First of all, x minus 15 is, x is 25, x minus 15 is how much? 10%. 10% of 180 is 80. So it is asked that x minus 15% of 180, that is 18, is what percent less than x plus 15% of 80? X plus 15 is how much? 25 plus 15 is 40. So 40% of 80, 40% of 80 is 32. So we are asked 18 is what percent less than 32? So 18 is 14 less than 32. How much percentage is this? This is 7 by 16. And I know that fractional equivalent of 1 upon 16 is 6.25. 7 into 16 is 6.25. How much is this? 42 plus 1.75, that is 43.75%. So correct answer among these options is option C, 43.75.